So welcome to this stock analysis contact session. What I wanted to do is to really run through what I'm thinking is going to happen over the next 12 to 18 months. So the medium to long term view. I'm thinking that 2012 is going to be a recession year. Commodity prices, economic activity is going to slide through 2012 after the peak that we've seen early in 2011. And what we see globally over the long term is that economic cycles, commodity cycles tend to go in 3 to 5 year cycles, so roughly a 4-year cycle. And just as we saw with the Wall Street crash in 1929, and we saw a recession then coming in 1933. We had a crash on 1987, October 87, which led to a recession in 1990-91. And so we've had this global financial crisis, big fall in the market in late 2008. And that will probably lead to a recession in 2012. So what we're saying now is that oil prices will probably be less affected by this downturn than other commodities, say copper and base metals. And the reason for that is that at the moment, most new projects are going to need at least $65 a barrel just to break even. So if the oil price falls much below $75 or even $80 a barrel, new projects will stop coming online. And also OPEC will continue to adjust its supply of oil into the market to maintain oil prices. And even today, with economic activity not very strong globally, we're seeing the Brent oil price at $106 a barrel. West Texas in the United States is artificially low. It's sort of $95, $96 a barrel. So I don't think oil prices will fall more than, say, another $10, maybe $15 a barrel from these levels through the recession that I'm seeing coming up over the next 12 or 18 months. So if we look at the Australian market, currently oil producers are priced with an enterprise value per barrel of oil in proven and probable reserves at about $13 a barrel. So that's pretty cheap. And if you look at the proven, probable and possible, these companies have enterprise values of about $4 a barrel. So they're very cheap when you consider that that oil probably has a net present value in the ground to these companies really of about $25 or $30 a barrel. So really most of these oil producers in Australia are trading at about a 30% or 50% of their fair value. So which companies do we like in the sector? The ones we're looking at the moment, the ones where we prefer are companies like Horizon Oil, Q Energy, Maverick Drilling, Otto Energy, Tap Oil, Beach and also AWE. These are our favourites in the sector. So thanks for watching and we'll talk again next month.